Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing how to create a Excel file for beauty category. So make sure that you have enough data with you so that we can fill the data in the Excel sheet and then you can start selling on Amazon.in. Please log into sellercentral.amazon.in with your login credentials. Once you log in to Seller Central, please go under Inventory and click on Add Products via Upload. Under Add Products via Upload, please click on Download Template to download the flat file template for your category. Here you can see all the flat file templates for different categories. Please click on your category, in this case beauty, to download the flat file for beauty category. I've already downloaded the flat file for beauty category, so I'm going to directly open from that. So this is a flat file for beauty category. The first tab is Instructions tab, which will give you a brief description about the different tabs that are available within this flat file. The second tab is Images tab, which will give you a brief description about the imaging standards that Amazon.in follows. Data Definitions is a tab where where there is a brief description about different fields that are available in this flat file. As brief definition, accepted values, and example. You can filter on the first column and you can filter on the required attributes to understand the mandatory attributes that you need to fill. This will make your work a little easier to identify the different fields that you need to give values for to create successfully the listings for your products. Under valid values, there is a list of accepted values for each column. So please make sure that you refer to this tab if in case you have any confusion regarding any of the fields. Under template, you need to enter the basic details of all the products. Under SKU, you need to give the SKU code. This is basically a unique identifier for your products. Under external product ID, you need to give the barcode for your products. This is usually found below the barcode in your product. Under external product ID type, please select the product ID type for the external product ID that you have given. Under item name, you need to give the item name of your product. This should follow a particular format. The item name should start with the brand name, then the item name, and other basic attributes like color, weight, etc. Make sure that you separate the attributes via comma. Hyphens are not allowed in the item name. And if you have any sets, make sure you do not provide any weight and you provide all the items within the set within brackets. Under brand name, please mention the brand name. Under manufacturer, please mention the manufacturer. Under the manufacturer part number, please enter the manufacturer part number. Under feed product type, please select Beauty Mist from the drop down. Under product description, please ensure that you give a brief description about the product that you are entering. Product update delete field will automatically by default get the value update. But if you want to delete or partial update any of the listings, please select the respective values from the drop down. Under standard price, please provide the price that you wish to offer for your products. And under the quantity, please enter the quantity that you wish to sell on Amazon. Under the condition type, please select new. Under item package quantity, please enter the package quantity. For individual products, please ensure you give 1. And number of items, please ensure that you give the number of items within each package. Recommended browse node is essential. This helps allocate your product under a particular subcategory in Amazon catalog. To identify the browse node for your product, please click on Download Template, again from the Seller Central portal, and please click on Browse Tree Guide. This will give you the browse tree guides for different categories. Select on your category and save the particular file. This is the browse tree guide for your beauty category. This will show you a node path. For example, I want to add eyeshadow, which will come under makeup and nails, eyes and eyeshadow. Against a particular node path, select the node ID and paste it under recommended browse node. Under search terms, enter generic words which will help the search experience for your products better. Under bullet point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, please mention any basic product features that you wish to give for your products. This will help improve the quality of your detail page. Under main image URL, please give the image URL of your product. Please ensure that you upload your products under any of the photo sharing websites. Once you have uploaded the products, please copy the image URL and paste it under main image URL column. If you have relevant color for your product, please enter the color for your product, and under color map, please enter the base color for your product. Any other details under these attributes, if it's available for the product, please ensure that you enter this under these attributes. Once you have updated all the details, please save your file as text tab delimited file. Once you have saved the file as text tab delimited, please come again under add products via upload. Under the drop box, select inventory files. Please browse the text tab delimited file that you have saved. And upload the file. Once you have uploaded the file, you can find the status of your uploaded inventory file here, and you can download the processing report and find and fix the errors if any. After that, please come under in manage inventory. Your products that are uploaded will automatically be populated under this. Thank you.